Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some roasted asparagus. Yummy. Very simple to make, quick, easy, and tastes delicious. Let's jump right in. We'll talk a little bit about our ingredients. Over here I have 3 bunches of asparagus. I've cut the bottoms off and I've washed them. I have 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I have some salt, some pepper, and some thyme leaves. The thyme I'm using is just dry thyme. If you have fresh, by all means you can use fresh thyme, but feel free to use dry thyme as well. Basically, we're just gonna mix this all together. And we're just gonna toss this together very well. So our seasoning is mixed through and through. And now I'm just gonna put this all out on a sheet pan. I'm gonna try to make sure they're facing relatively the same way. That way when I take them off, they'll be easy to put on a platter. It's not really that big of a deal, but later on when I serve, I can just pick them up, so a little bit faster. So our asparagus is now out on our pan. It's not necessarily a single layer, it's like 2 or 3 layers, but that's fine. And I'm gonna put it in a 375-degree oven. And I'm guessing about 20-25 minutes, but I'll let you know when it's done. See you shortly. So our asparagus were in the oven for right about a half an hour. Right now, if you taste one, they're actually crunchy, which is how these should be. They still have some crunch to it, but they're soft enough to eat. And I'm gonna put them on a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. So I put our roasted asparagus on a plate just so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna try one because I love asparagus. It's really nice. If you like roasted vegetables, these are great. They go with pretty much almost anything. Tastes wonderful and great side dish you know how to make. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching. Be well. Bye-bye.